So Sarita ji, you can go with share your today's experience. You are in the plane already, and
Yes,
salute
sir.
to your commitment. I mean, there is no words about it. So maybe you can just speak up whatever you feel now.
No, sir. Thank you so much today. Actually, it was the session I enjoyed. It was distracted, but still I was in so much of focus because I planned in such a way that I came here for long before so that I can attend the session with you. And the boarding started, I told them not to wake me up before 15 minutes only before they told me, okay, ma'am, you have to go
Sarita ji,
now.
quickly now,
And
quickly share the
yes,
experience because we have three
okay, okay.
minutes only now. I want to just go with
Okay,
the
okay.
others also.
Okay, my
Hmm.
experience, sir, my experience for 2021 is health, sir, health for myself and for everyone, and super happiness I wanted, and for everyone,
Three
and a
goals,
lot
three
of
goals. Please
gratitude.
write down the
Yes,
three goals now, Sarita ji. Please take the pen.
yes,
Even you are in the
okay,
plane, take
thank
the
you.
mobile and please write. I want everybody to share
Okay,
your one line experience and three goals. So thank you, Sarita ji. All the best. We are waiting for you. So let me
thank
go
you.
to next. Anybody want to share or please write? Let me see now who are writing the three goals. Please write your 2022 three goal. See, please understand that one. This itself is like going to that one. I told you as our common goal, 1 lakh people and 1 lakh tree. That is the 2022 for me. And running my marathon. My first marathon on the 8th August 2022. 25 kilometers of marathon. That is what is the three goals I created. 1 lakh people life transformation, 1 lakh tree plantation, and running my first marathon on the 8th August 2022. At morning 5:51 a.m. we are going to start in the Godam. We are organizing the first marathon and to celebrate our 1 lakh tree plantation there. And I visualize even the Chief Minister of Maharashtra is coming there and all people are coming there and it's a big celebration. Me, Sumit, and all of you are there. I'm visualizing everybody there and how it will look like when you see the 1 lakh trees. So that is what my goal for the 2022. So black sky here, moon on the top. Okay. Thank you, Rakesh. Thank you, Sumit sir and Rakesh ji, Group Energy. Thank you, Group Energy. Anybody want to speak up, they can raise the hand and I'm reading everybody's comment. Please write into the both Zoom group as well as this group. This gives us the energy. If people don't type up some things, then definitely we don't, like get that all. So I not even seen the messages from yesterday. The power up now. I think who got the power up now? Okay, Sonal, I think so. Tanvi got the power up top book. Okay. So thank you. Hug the Shiva, and that's a beautiful part. Financial abundance file, all the best for your goal. Everybody is accountable that you're going to achieve your financial abundance in the 2022. But actually, goals is not written like that way. Maybe we'll have the goal or the vision workshop separately. Ajay ji is talking namaskar all. I'm amazed goals. Super healthy life, advanced photography, my own cooking academy. This is something very clear. This is very good actually. So can everybody send the beautiful energy to the Ajay ji and everybody is accountable. You have to ask that Ajay ji has to be achieve this three goal. Payal relationship second. Payal try to put all three in one place. Highly grateful. No words. Preeti love you always. सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट पायल वन नहीं भेजना तीनों को भेजो आप एक साथ में achievement feeling it is like I got goosebump yes actually मैं if you want me to I'll just take 3 minutes more today because it's a day and our retreat is starting today so we'll take 3 minutes more and I just want to share see the goal is never be in the future if Ajay ji feel कि I already achieved a cooking academy and hundreds of people are coming there and he's getting 1 lakh rupees passive income every month and if he feel then it's workout anyway anybody want to speak up they can speak I'm reading everybody's this one then after we are Tanvi achievement is there Payal success itself mentor success I didn't got Payal actually so please you can type three goals super happiness my health and health for others I also want to run marathon with Rakesh ji very good you are welcome Sarita ji now I'm reading from the here congratulations dear for wonderful gift okay that is done I'm going morning today I'm not seeing everybody's type now I seen the Paramjit ji Bhavna good morning amazing experience to Bhavna Pawar I want that three goals to be declared I'm giving you another 2 minutes please write the three goals I want everybody to write that and I want to one person I'm going to select now who going to speak up exactly who got a beautiful experience And as per me, I think so. Today's experience is wonderful. It's a beautiful beginning of transformation. Yes, goal is focus on health, let it go things, focus on meditation. Okay, what I told you, correct? Date and time. Goal is have a smart goal, smarter goal. Actually, we created the new. I mean, Suresh sir is there actually. So we had a discussion. He told me about even the ER, smarter, specific, measurable, attainable, time bound. It's a big topic actually, and we maybe have come up with the workshop. And actually, one important thing: this coming Sunday retreat, we are going to find your life ka purpose. Discover your life purpose. How many of you want to join this workshop? Maybe we can give you both the options. One is to come here physically, and if the time permits and everything goes up, we can open up even the online session, because that 5 hours workshop going to be transform your life forever. And I'll tell you, I'm just, when I was visualizing, I seen these are the three, discovering your life. The workshop name itself is discover your life. And I will tell you, if you people, how many of you are interested? Let me just see, we make it the gallery view. So just raise your hand. I want to see everybody's video. Or maybe you can just raise your hand and questions. How many of you are really interested? So Sandeep ji, then Sarita ji is told already. Nisha, wonderful experience, improvement in breathing. I want everybody to share their 3 goals. Dada Purnima, everybody please share your goal. I am not going to leave you till you share me the goals. Maybe you can exit the call, but definitely the people who are not playing 100%, we are also not bothered about them. I'm very strict coach actually. I don't bother about the people who don't ready for even to write something. We are not ready for them also. So Tanvi is clear now. Super healthy skin. Okay. Perfect relationship. Emotionally strong. Very good. So congratulations. You are at least clear what you want to achieve. Preeti is telling, I hugged the Shiva and earlier couldn't thought beyond that, but later as you remind about goals completion, he took care of my other 2 goals. Baby, helping 5,000 kids to find their dharma and rest of my things. Highly obliged, gratitude. Congratulations, Preeti, you are already achieved that one. Bhavna is telling 20 kg weight loss. Absolutely. See, this statement should be like, suppose Bhavna, type in the chat box, what is your weight? Let me see now here, both the places people are typing actually. So definitely want to attend. I want to achieve healthy weight and muscular fitness. I want to become mentally strong. I want to be a visiting professor in college. I want to start yoga studio and have my own natural farm. Yeah, Sonal, these are the so many things, but they should require a timeline. Goal setting itself is a skill. And we are doing this on the Sunday. So I will tell you this whole group, these 30 people who are there today, 30, I seen around 40 was there, but 30 of them are now there. I will tell everybody should be do this 5 hours of workshop. You will get a crystal clear clarity what you want in your life. So anyway, definitely want to this one. So please write the name. The goal should be very clear. I am enjoying my first marathon on or before 8 August 2022. Marathon is a 25-kilometer running, and to run that one, you require a lot of work to do. To plant 1 lakh tree, you have to plant every month at least 10,000 to 15,000 trees if you really want to achieve the target. So it should be a quantifiable statistically, or it is just like a wish, and wish don't get happen. It requires the massive action plan. Goal has a 3 parts. Please write before I close today's call. Some of you are typing, some of you can share afterwards also, but I'm closing the call now because we already exceeded the 4 minutes. But I wanted really to write and create that context here itself. So Preeti is done. Bhavna, I told 2 kg. So why I'm telling this one? Take like an example of Nitin Dada Godkoleji. So he told me yesterday, my height is 184 centimeter. And what is his BMI? So as per his BMI, his ideal weight is 81 kg. Now 81 kg is a perfect weight for him. He is 91 now, 91. So what he will write? I am 81 kg on or before 14 February 2022. This is called as the goal setting. See, goal setting is a very, this one exactly. So Surajji, you are welcome. I will send you the link exactly. So please join, and we'll even have the Zoom call for that one, and we'll manage exactly. So just for you people groups, actually, we are not expecting outsiders. Super healthy, Hemaj is telling physically and mentally. These are the all wishes actually, but it's fine. I'm not telling anything. Padmaja is telling thank you so much, Rakesh sir and Sumit sir. Yes, both of us are actually working day and night. You cannot just imagine exactly for this. and we are considering as a family. So please, you people also consider as a family, and don't miss a single part of whatever we are doing. And whatever you are going to pay us, we are going to use for the tree plantation, lot of money for that one. So don't worry about it. I'm not building a big palace for me. So that is maybe can be done, but definitely the tree plantation is there. So Padmaja, I want to lose 10 kg fat. Okay, 10 kg fat. Good. I want to become yoga teacher. You are welcome. We are launching the Train the Trainer program on 30th April 2022. We have so many goals actually. So Train the Trainer program is getting launched on the 13th April 2022, and Sumit ji will be the in charge of that one. So just wait for that one. It's a residential, non-residential program. Done, guys. So I think so. Mangla Patil, I am healthy emotionally and physically, maintaining an ideal weight of 58 kg to reach 10,000 students, to have a turnover of 10 lakh in my trust on or before. Awesome. Congratulations. See, it took me 1 year to Mangla ji to understand her goal. But today she is very clear. Actually, she was part of my coaching system, and I know that one. So that is called as a goal exactly. Nisha, start my professional career at fresh in full fledged. Again, this is a wish, Nisha. It should be have the time, it should be have the energy, everything. Smooth and healthy relationship, financial abundance. These are the all wishes actually, again, not the goal, but it's fine. At least you got the area. We'll work on that one. Please join the Sunday class. Loving myself more, helping others by generating, Tanisha Sood. More jobs, generating more jobs, Tanisha, congratulations. Reducing weight, thanks a lot, Rakesh, for a wonderful experience. Definitely, Tanisha, my wife is there, but still I'll tell you I love you, because there is something, because you people are getting clarity. This takes years together for people. Purnima is in front of me now today. So we'll read Dada's goal also. Feeling energetic and calm inside. My 3 goals are family goals. 10th March 2022, health at stretch, mountain climb. Siddha Beta. Okay, I don't know that place, but definitely I know it will be challenging. And professional goal. Perfect. Sumit ji also set his goal, so I'm very happy to read his goal now. So Dada, take the photo in mobile and send me, so I will read it directly there. No, give me the diary. Give me the diary. To help 100,000 people live super healthy life. To help plant 1,000 trees with our community. To build a community of spiritual seeker and explore Himalayas. Very clear. So we have the 2 common goals and 1 personal goal. Preeti Verma, thank you both coaches and all members of this wonderful family. Okay, guys, so we are done near about. So some of you are still not understand what is a goal. So now, guys, before I close, only for the people who are there. Now, Sumit will be angry on me, but we have the program. So Sumit, can you please share the link into the group, payment link? And we are giving you the huge discount, whoever want to join this program for the Sunday, either physically or either personally or online. We are giving all the options to you, and only for this group, only for the first 11 registration now, we are giving. Sumit, are you fine to give them the best offer possible? He will be very angry on me. So is because yesterday we decided we are not going to lower the price, but I want everybody to involve. Just for the 11 people, take your mobile. We are just giving for the first 11 people the same program, offline, online, whatever way you want to achieve, in 1,999. The same 4,9999 program, 5,000 program, we are giving to the 1,999 for the 11 people maximum out of this group, which is the no-brainer. So this is the number. If you have any problem, link problem, you can just Google Pay to this number, and we are done for the day. But only for the 11 people and anybody who is coming now. And this is what you are showing the faith on us. So we are giving the 5,000 program in 1,999. And I'll tell you, this will be change your life forever. Only for 11 people. So Sumit ji, send the link for them, and there is a discount, correct? So they can just manage and they can put 1,999. So we are sending the InstaMojo link also, but only for the 11 people. So I took more time, but only for this group. This offer will be not applicable to the anybody else out of this group. We are going to charge 4,999 for sure, and maybe this group afterwards 3,999, but 1,999. Paramjit ji, please join this program. Will be there. Date is on the Sunday. We told already. The date is on Sunday. Maybe I can share you the screen on the photo also. This is on the Sunday, 10:30 to 2:30, but it can go 1 hour extra. So please don't miss this program. You are going to ask yourself 3 questions. You are going to find your life purpose. There is a meditation for life purpose. So come on, guys, 11 people, only 11 people. We are already had 20 people in front of us now. So only for 11 people. I don't know if anybody, Sumiji, please share the link. Sunday is there. So time, I'll tell you, Paramjit ji, even please come. Anybody who really want to transform their life, please come up, guys. Don't. Preeti, please jump up. Please jump up. I will tell you, you have to do. And don't forget, don't worry about the money. No, don't go anywhere, Preeti, please. I will recommend you to be, don't miss this workshop, because I don't know, but I'm visualizing that workshop as one of the best workshop in 2022. Maybe you've seen my video also. It's all coming intuitively. So please join the link or Google Pay. So I think so somebody is doing the payment. Let me see the name. So this is the last chance, guys. We are going to close. And I will tell you now last things. 7/21, this offer will be closed. I'm not going to give that one. Preeti, join the program. We'll give the recording. No, we are not going to give the recording for that program easily if there is no genuine reason, but join. So I think so Preeti want to join from the heart of her, that one. So please join the program. She is part of my coaching system, but why I was imposing her to even to join this program? Because when it's in a group energy, something is happen that don't happen individual level. So please join the program. Sarita ji, you are the part of program already. So I got a payment from now. Let me see the rate. If you are done the payment, please type in the chat wall. I got from the Future Proud of India. I don't know the name. Please type your name in the Zoom chat box. And welcome to that. We got a payment of 1,999. So link is coming. Sumiji is giving you the link. Sumiji is giving the link. So that's why I extended the time, because we decided to not to be have the low cost. We decided it to the 4,999. But now I took it, and Sumit will be angry on me for sure. But I felt today to give you some gift because you are stayed 13 minutes extra. So I'm giving the gift. So please join. So who is the Future Proud of India? I don't know, but that person is already joined. So Preeti is already joined. You are the Future Proud of India, is it? Very good. Bhavna Power, please join. We have only 7 minutes, and I will not give this offer for sure because Sumit will be this one. Sandeep ji, please make a payment. Only payment confirmation is the way to get the program. So I see already 6 people are done. Last 5 admissions, guys. 6 people are done already. Me and Deepa, Sandeep Kule, me and Deepa, please do for both of them because this is a very personal program. And you have to come to this place, Sandeep Kule. You have to come physically here. Link is coming now. So 6 people are done already in the Google Pay. So put in the Zoom. फिर मुझे भेज दो WhatsApp में. Telegram. Okay, I cannot see in Telegram actually, so I have to paste. So it is in the Telegram now. So everybody can see in the Telegram. Let me just copy from there here itself also. So guys, this is the last chance only for 11 people, chosen people, and these 11 people's life will be transformed in 2022 for sure. Don't worry, I'm testing today my selling skill also, how it's works. So 6 people are done near about. So some of them you are just already will get now. So I'm just putting in the WhatsApp so I can get it here. So let me just put it here, this link. I will put in the Zoom also. It's in the Telegram group already. I will put in the Zoom also. So I think so around 7 people are done. I think so. Please ensure that one last 4 admission, and will not give the same offer for you. You are going to get a lunch also if you are coming physically, a buffet lunch for all of you. So please ensure that one don't miss this opportunity in any cost, dear friends. The link came to here. Last 6 minutes for 11 people. I'm here. If anybody has any question, they can ask to us. Last 6 minutes. And we are done for the day. So I took 21 minutes extra, and this is a gift I want to give all of you. Whoever not able to come in the retreat, I will tell you this is the time to take it to the next level. So Sumit ji, just check in the InstaMojo how many are done. Shelly, please join it completely now. Either Google Pay, I given you this one. This is a Google Pay number 94488111026, or the InstaMojo link. Both the options are there. I think so links is went to the Preeti only. So I want to make it to everybody. And this is a no-brainer, guys. It's the best gift you can give to the 2022. खुद के लिए देना है. You will find out what you want. It took years and years together to develop this system. I told Bhavna it's the same number. It is already in the chat. So this is just the last part. I think so. It's again going to the all. So guys, we are done now. Last 5 minutes only. So do your Bhasrika once. Do Bhasrika once. Sumit ji, just let me know how many numbers are done. I'm not going to give it to the 12th person also. It is only for 11 people, guys. Only 11 chosen souls who are believing on us, and we want to believe on them. 1999 is a no-brainer for this program. Not at all exactly. So please let me know. We'll welcome them. क्या नाम क्या अभी किसका किया अभी दो? Sandeep and Deepali ji is done already. So guys, we are closing now. I don't know exact number because it's InstaMojo, so we are not very clear. But this offer will be closed at 7:21, and then same offers maybe you will get into the extra price. Suraj ji, please do it now. Don't wait for that one. Both options are given to you. InstaMojo link can be paid by any way, and even your the Google Pay also. We given both the options to you. Anybody has any questions? Please let me know. And this was the yesterday's poster. That's what we sent to all of you. So let me see. So let me just go and show you what is this workshop is made of. This is the poster. So I got another one more payment now. So I think so we are closing now in last 2 minutes. This is from Nayana AG Alve. So please type your name if you join. See, this is what is the program. So this is the poster we made, but this is the posters. We cannot put everything, correct? So this is what is exactly we are trying self-discovery workshop, 1 day nature connect. And I'll tell you, if anybody who comes here physically, we can tell you that one means with my experience, this will be changed their life. It took me 21 years to really find out my own purpose. And we are sharing the same things to all of you. So Sumit, let's know last 3 minutes, guys, last 3 minutes, and we are closing now. So this is there, how to identify your life purpose, how to set higher goals. Now you people were confused, correct? What is the goal? How to set? Everybody's want, I want better relationship. What is mean by better relationship? Oh, I want Mercedes Benz. Which model? When? Now what model you are talking about? See, this iPhone I got 2 years back. Now it iPhone 11, it is already absolute. What model you want? I want good health. What is meant by the good health? Somebody who is a cancer patient, for him living another 5 years itself is a good health. जिसके पास कुछ नहीं है उसके लिए वही good health हो जाता है. So last 2 minutes, guys, we are closing now, and we are happy to see all of you. So Naina, payment for Bhavna Power. Perfect, Bhavna. Thank you very much. Welcome. So guys, last 2 minutes, we are closing the session with the prayer now. And I'm playing you the prayer, and this prayer will be over and your offer also will be over. So with the prayer, I'm stop sharing the screen, and this is what is there. Sandeep ji, welcome. Deepa ji, welcome. All of who are joined and shown the faith on us, I will tell you that one, it will be the memorable journey for them. But now I'm going to the prayer now, because as promised, the prayer overs and your now this is the beautiful prayer. Now I want everybody, please come in a standing position. We are sharing now with all of you. So this is a beautiful prayer now. Starting prayer. I have beautiful collections of this one, and I am praying you this prayer. And once the prayer over, all of you are gone. So I'm putting on this. Other people can listen to them. Welcome. We are closing now. It's a beautiful prayer.
अपनी आंखों को बंद करें और मन की गहराई से महसूस करते हुए इस प्रार्थना को गाएं। प्रभु तुम मुझे शक्ति दो, खुद पर करो विश्वास, मेरे लिए है जमीन, मेरे लिए है आकाश। प्रभु तुम मुझे शक्ति दो, खुद पर करो विश्वास, मेरे लिए है जमीन, मेरे लिए है आकाश। प्रभु तुम मुझे शक्ति दो। जो कुछ भी मैं ठान लूं, पूरा मैं उसको करूं, चाहे हो बाधा कोई, ना मैं रुकूं ना डरूं। जो कुछ भी मैं ठान लूं, पूरा मैं उसको करूं, बाधा कोई, ना मैं रुकूं ना डरूं, ना मैं रुकूं ना डरूं। प्रभु तुम मुझे शक्ति दो, खुद पर करूं विश्वास। मेरे लिए है ज़मीन, मेरे लिए है आकाश। प्रभु तुम मुझे शक्ति दो। उन सबको मेरा नमन जिनसे यह जीवन मिला, गुरुजन और माता पिता, त्रुटियों को करना क्षमा। उन सबको मेरा नमन जिनसे यह जीवन मिला, गुरुजन और माता पिता, त्रुटियों को करना क्षमा, त्रुटियों को करना क्षमा। प्रभु तुम मुझे शक्ति दो, खुद पर करूं